What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have our VZR1 style front bumper lip. And this is for the Chevrolet C8, fitting 2020 to 2026. Now the VZ for this is vz102460 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Let me go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what it looks like. Now we should have a middle piece, which is that one I just grabbed. And then we'll have two side pieces, which are these two. And then our two connecting pieces. Before I open these up and show you what they look like, I am going to show you a little bit of assembly and talk a little bit about the install of this front lip. And pretty much the only thing you'll need for install as well as assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver. Now for install, I will recommend using a screw gun or something of the type to actually drill into the plastic underneath your front bumper. Now this does also come with hardware. And I guess the hardware bag actually broke open in this one. Luckily, it looks like everything is here. Now, you should have three different screw types, well, two different screw types and then a bolt as well. Now, you'll have 4 bolts in total, and these are gonna be used for install, and you'll also have the nuts for them to tighten them down. And then you'll have larger screws and smaller screws. Now, the larger screws are gonna be used for install, and the smaller ones are gonna end up being used for assembly to assemble the front lip. And guys, make sure not to use the larger ones because they can end up cracking your front lip. Now right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate all the larger screws so I don't accidentally grab one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open all of these. Now these are all in our gloss black. So they are pretty shiny. So keep that in mind if you are looking for a matte lip. These are gloss. Now these do have lettering on the inside for where they attach and what side they go on. Now for assembly, if you see these larger side pieces here, they'll have a recessed hole inside of them as well as a line inside of them. And this is for the centerpiece. So these knobs can snap in and then you can screw them together. Now I'm not gonna fully assemble this. I'm just gonna assemble one side and then just piece together the other side so you can get the full look. And then once you have those two pieces together, you just take your other wing piece and attach that the same exact way. Now this is what it'll look like whenever you have it assembled. And I could just go ahead and just piece these together for you so you can get the full look. That's pretty much it for this lip. If you want to see an install video on this lip, I believe we have one up on our Vicrez website, or one that's pretty much similar in process for install. Now, pretty much all of our lips are kind of similar for install. They'll have this back edge with a lot of holes in it, which looks like this. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, consider dropping us a like and hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one. Peace.